Your car is designed to react to your foot on the pedal instantly. But what happens when the brain of the vehicle loses control over the throttle and leaves you stranded with no acceleration at all? Storing a code P0616F means your powertrain control module has caught an internal error in the throttle actuator control system, and this is a serious situation that often puts the car into a limp mode to prevent a runaway engine. This code is specific to drive-by-wire systems, where there is no physical cable connecting your foot to the engine, instead relying on accelerator pedal position sensors and throttle position sensors that talk to each other using a 5-volt reference signal. Usually, one sensor tells the computer how much speed you want, and another confirms how much the throttle plate actually opened. But if the powertrain control module sees a discrepancy or an internal processor failure, it triggers this code. This is very common on Ford trucks and Mustangs, and since it involves the internal logic of the controller area network, it is one of the tougher codes to diagnose without advanced tools like an oscilloscope. You should start by checking for any power supply issues or blown fuses in the circuit, and inspect the connectors for water damage or corrosion, because even a tiny bit of moisture can mess up these sensitive signals. If the wiring and sensors check out fine, you are likely looking at a faulty powertrain control module that will need professional reprogramming, so do not ignore those symptoms of rough idling or sudden stalling before the car decides to stop moving altogether.